One of the very important steps you want to make sure is that you need to convert this free account to a paid account, or else you'll not be able to create these many instances. You're gonna get error saying that this type of instance is not eligible for free tier, which means that when you're not upgrading for the when you're using free tier, right, only those resources you can use it. Only if you're using the paid one, then you will be able to do that. So you need to go for the paid plan. So go to cost billing and cost management, and then there is option over here saying that switch to paid plan. Just click on that, and you'll be switched to paid plan immediately. Now do remember, in paid plan it's going to be the same. So it's going to first take the it's going to use the $200 which it is given for you. So you can see that I've used some amount over here, 0.27. So that will be deducted from the $200 which is given for you. So that's basically how it's going to be using. All right, thanks guys for watching this video. See you in the next one.